بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Good morning. Today's lesson is lesson 1 in expansion unit 1 to 3. Lesson 1 language review, student book page 32. Exercise A. Complete the following information about yourself. Write complete sentence. Then compare with a partner. هنا هتكتب عن نفسك childhood memories يعني ذكرياتك أيام الطفولة. Place and date of birth تاريخ الميلاد. Earliest memories ذاكرات أو ذكرى الطفولة أي ذكريات يعني. Favorite toy اللعبة المفضلة لديك. Favorite teacher in elementary school مدرس اللي كنت بتحبه في الابتدائي. Best friend in elementary school. Favorite pastime as a child الوقت اللي كنت بتفضله وقت التسلية أو وقت الفراغ بتاعك. Things you used to do الأشياء اللي كنت متعود تعملها و things you didn't use to do والأشياء اللي ما كنتش متعود بتعملها. هنا تقدر تكتب أنت عن نفسك. Exercise B. Write questions for the following answers. Use the underlined words in each question. Number 1. I don't know what I am doing next Thursday. عايز نعمل سؤال تكون إجابته doing next Thursday. طبعا السؤال هيبدأ What are you doing next Thursday? طيب number 2. No, I am going to do my homework tonight. حد يقدر يعمل سؤال على دي يا شباب؟ 2. Yes, سعود. Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Are you going to do your homework tomorrow?
Very good, Saud. Thank you. Number 3. He will probably go to college after high school. The question here will be, will he go to college after high school? And number 4. Their friends are arriving from Syria tomorrow. Arriving from Syria. Who can make this question? Okay, Abdulaziz. Again, number 4. Make a question.
Their friends are
When are, yes.
Are arriving.
Their friends first.
From Sir.
Arrive. Again, Abdulaziz.
Arriving.
When are
their friends arriving from Sir?
Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. And number 5, she is going to meet her sister at the mall. The question is, where is she going to meet her friends? Okay, and exercise C. Complete the sentence with the correct verb or verb form. هنا هنكون الجملة هنكمل بالفعل الناقص. يقول لي Siberian tigers النمر اللي من سيبيريا. What probably become of the Siberian tiger? What will probably become of the Siberian tiger? An endangered species in the future. There are now only about 400 to 500 Siberian tigers in the world. There, who can complete number 2? There what? Yes, Saud. Okay, Saud.
There are.
Very good, Saud. There are. And number 3, authorities اللي هي السلطات أو الحكومات أو الهيئة يعني المختصة be able to protect them. Be able to protect them. Here, will authorities be able to protect them? Siberian tigers in the forest of Eastern Asia, Northern China and Manchuria. Okay, but the majority survive in the Yuzland region of Russia. Number 4. Who can complete number 4 with the suitable verb? Siberian tigers. Yes, Siberian tigers live. Okay. Some tigers born and raised in zoos. Some tigers are born, okay, are born and raised in zoos, and adult male normally weighs يعني يزن from 440 to 660 pounds, which equal 200 to 300 kilograms, and measures about 13 feet, which equals 4 meters from head to tail. They are very large animals and consume a lot of food and eat a lot of food every day because of the cold climate. At one meal, a Siberian tiger can eat up to 95 pounds, equal 45 kilograms of meat. Like all big cats, they hunt for their food. They sometimes leave some of their catch in trees so other predators can't see it or find it. If they can't eat it all in one meal, they take a nap and finish it off later. Okay, exercise D. Read the text, then use the prompts to ask questions about pandas, then answer the questions. Pandas. Who can read this, guys? Okay, عبد الرحمن سعيد تفضل.
The lovable, cuddly-looking pandas is one of the world's most popular animals. Vulnerable species, pandas live only in the dense
bamboos area. Bamboo is a kind of plant, yes, نوع من أنواع النبات, which pandas love eating, yes, of the misty,
of the misty rainy forests of the southwestern China. Today, only about 1,900 pandas remain in the wild. The Chinese government in the various conservation organizations are working to protect pandas in their natural habitat.
The place where pandas live. Yes, they want.
They want maintain a bamboo corridor.
Corridor means
pandas
place.
Yes. Bamboo shoot and leaves account for 99% of a panda diet. An adult giant panda eats up to 95 pounds, which means 45 kilograms of bamboo per day over a period of about 16 hours. So it's important to have a protected place with a lot of bamboo available.
Very good, Abdurrahman. Thank you very much. And here is the questions about live. Where and live. We want to write a question, then answer the question from the text. Number 1, for example, we say, where do pandas live? And the answer is, they live only in the bamboo areas of the forests in southwestern China. How many? We say, how many pandas remain in the world? Today, only about 190 pandas remain in the world. How work to protect pandas? How are conservation organization اللي هي منظمة المحافظة على أو حماية الحيوانات working to protect pandas in their natural habitat? They want to maintain a bamboo corridor. Corridor means area for this kind of plant for pandas, from which pandas can move freely. How much eat? We say, how much does a panda eat per day? They eat up to 45 kilograms of bamboo per day. How long eat a day? How long does a panda eat every day? A panda eats for about 16 hours a day. Okay guys, these are the most important words. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means unprotected species. And misty. Areas of the misty means areas with foggy, يعني أماكن مضببة أو مليئة بالضباب. And rainy المطر. And bamboo corridor means bamboo land, a land for growing bamboo for pandas. Okay guys, and the last exercise here, discussion. Number 1, are there any endangered or vulnerable species in your country? هل في سلالات أو حيوانات معرضة للانقراض أو غير محمية in your country بلدك؟ طبعا after research we found that yes, there are like Arabian leopard, Arabian oryx, dugong, striped hyena, sand gazelle, sand cat, Nubian ibex, Euphrates zebra, mountain gazelle. What are the authorities doing about conservation of wildlife in your country? الهيئات المختصة بالمحافظة على هذه الحيوانات البرية. What are they doing? بيعملوا ايه؟ طبعا they try. The Saudi Wildlife Authority SWA was established in 1986 and is responsible for the conservation and development of wildlife in Saudi Arabia. Question number 3. What can we do to preserve wildlife for future generation? We can do a lot of things. For example, we should not hunt any kind of these animals. We shouldn't chase them, and we should encourage authority to protect them. Okay? We can also donate money for this organization to help them to protect and establish places for these animals. Okay guys, your homework page 107 and 108. Thank you for listening and see you next lesson inshallah. Goodbye.